Open the app and tap the plus button in the bottom corner of the screen. Go to the Services section and create a new entry. In the name field, we type Glow Up Package. Now, set the price for the service to $120. Next, set the duration of the procedure to 90 minutes. Now, let's select the specialist. In this case, we'll choose Bogdan and confirm the choice. Finish the setup by tapping the Add a Service button. Done. The service has successfully appeared in your list. If you need to make any changes, simply tap on it. On the update screen, you can modify any parameter, like the duration. You can also easily change the specialist assigned to this service. Tap Update, and all changes are saved instantly. Setup complete. Your calendar is now ready for new bookings.